First of all, I believe, coming from the business world, we have to improve our gardening skills. Great leaders are like great or good gardeners. What is the ability of a gardener? They know how to make their plants grow. Some plants need a lot of water, some plants need a lot of shade, some plants need sun, etc., etc. You know what I experience in business? Do you believe we have a lot of good gardeners? I believe we have a lot of good elephants. You know, elephants calling Bert the other day and said, Bert, yes, can you speak to my people? And I said, yes, why? They don't perform. Sometimes when I'm really brave, I say, can I speak to you first? So the gardening is one idea, because I think it is very, very simple, and this is what I learned from the Bavarian farmers. You know, I grew up in Bavaria. This is a special part of Germany. And there I learned something. The fruits make the roots make the fruits, and the care. And we can learn that we always will harvest what we sow. Very simple. So ask yourself, what do you want to harvest?